The Honeywell 5612 Digital 2-Drawer Jewelry Safe is an exceptional choice for those looking for the security of a safe, specifically designed for jewelry, with the control and convenience of an easily programmable digital lock. The digital lock lets you program and use a unique 2 to 8-digit passcode and features an LED display to the left of the keypad, assuring that you have selected the correct passcode. For demonstration purpose, let's say that your chosen personal passcode is 24680. To unlock the safe, begin by using the digital keypad to enter your personal passcode, followed by the number key. Once the correct passcode has been entered, the keypad will beep once and you can turn the entry knob to the right to open the door. As an added security benefit, the digital keypad will begin a 2-minute secure lockout period if a wrong code is entered 3 times in a row. To close the safe, simply hold the door closed and turn the entry knob to the left. The lock requires 4 AA batteries, which are included, and an emergency override access key that can be used to open the safe if the batteries become depleted or the combination is forgotten. To use the emergency override access key, turn the round LCD panel 1/4 turn to the left and remove to expose the keyhole. Insert the emergency override access key and turn to the left to unlock the safe. Now you can turn the entry knob to the right and open the door. The 2 pull-out drawers feature brushed aluminum handles and felt-lined jewelry compartment trays for easy organization. The jewelry trays are also easily removable, allowing the drawers to be used for storage of other small valuables. The 5612 Digital Jewelry Safe is designed with 2 solid steel locking bolts and pry-resistant concealed hinges to provide robust protection against unauthorized access. This safe also includes a bolt-down mounting kit for added security. The exterior has a scratch-resistant powder coat finish, and a brushed aluminum door skin has been added to give it a contemporary look. The Honeywell 5612 Digital Jewelry Safe is backed by an industry-leading 7-year warranty.